Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking what Chapter 3 Cumulative Tourism. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I am handling many student courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Engagement Tab, MC Grail, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Okay, we will go to MATLAB Pearson, go to what chapter 3, Cumulative Tourism. We will download file first and then we will start our assignment. Okay, focus on my laptop screen. 1 second. Okay, first we will click on download material button. We will click on download all files button. All files will be downloaded in our download folder. We will go to download folders. Okay, we will open fast instruction file. Okay, click on enable editing button. You can see here. Okay, Exp22 what chapter 3 cumulative tourism. I will increase the font size of this title and then I will highlight for a proper view in my video. Okay, so you can see this title. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. Next we will select this complete instruction, increase the font size of this instruction, then I will highlight for a proper view in my video. Now we will start our assignment. Question number 1 is that start what, download and open the file name. Exp22 what chapter 3 cumulative tourism. Greater has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Word file from Pearson MATLAB dashboard. I have also downloaded my file. I am going to opening my my Word file. Click on enable editing button first. Okay, so we will move on. Next question is question number 2. In question number 2, place the insertion point at the end of the document. Okay, point at the end of the document. Insert a 2 by 1 table. Adjust the width of first column to 2 inches. Apply a table style of list table 2 ascent 6. Basically this question, first we will place the insertion point at the end of the document. Okay, place the insertion point at the end of the document. We will go to the end of the document and place the insertion point. So insert a 2 by 1 table. This is the second point of question number 2. So we will have to insert a 2 by 1 table, adjust the width of the first column to 2 inches. Okay, we will go to insert tab. In the tables group we will insert table 2 by 1 row and 2 columns. So adjust the width of the first column to 2 inches. Adjust the width of the first column to 2 inches. We will go to the table layout tab. In the cell size group we will adjust this 2.1 inches with the first column. So apply a table style of list table 2 ascent 6. Okay, we will have to apply a table style. Go to the table design tab. In the table style group we will apply this table style. Okay, so we will move on next table style list table 2 ascent 6. I have applied this style. So moving on question number 3, I have done 2 questions so far. Question number 3 is that center the newly created table horizontally. Okay, select the table and apply shading of gray ascent 3 letter 80%. Okay, center the newly created table horizontally. we will go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, click on center the horizontally alignment is center. So select the table and apply shading of gray SM3 letter 80%. So we will select the table and we will go to the table layout tab, sorry, table design tab. In the shading group, click on shading button, gray SM3 letter, gray SM3 letter 80%. You can see here gray SM3 letter 80%. We will apply this style shading on this table. Okay, so moving on, next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions so far. Question 4 is that insert a row between the first and second rows of the first table. Okay, under the eco-friendly word destination row, type destination in the first cell of the new row, type description in the next cell. Okay, type description in the next cell, type C2 rating in the last cell on row. The first point of this question is that we will have to insert a row between the first and second row of the first table. We will go to first table and then we will insert a row between the first and second cell, first and second row. Go to the table design, table layout tab. In the row and columns group, click on insert row above. Okay. So type destination in the first cell on the row. Okay, we will type destination in the first cell of the new row. Click on the first cell of the new row. We will type destination here. Okay, the next is that type description in the next cell. Sorry, type description in the next cell. We will click on the next cell. We will type description. Okay, simply copy and paste here. Okay, the next is that type C2 rating in the last cell on the row. Now we will type C2 rating in the last cell of the new row. Copy and paste here. Okay. Now we will move on next question. I have done 4 questions of this assignment so far. Question number 5 is that insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. Okay, insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. Type approximate visitor year in the last cell on the second row. Type data in the final 2 columns of the table as follows. C2 rating approximate visitor year. You can see this data. First point of this question is that insert a column at the right of the last column in the table. Okay, we will click on last column. Go to the table layout tab. In the rows and column group, click on insert column right. Click on insert column right button. You can see new column will be inserted at the right of the last column. So type approximate visitor year in the last cell on the second row. We will type approximate visitor year, the last cell of the last column of the second row. So we will type data in the final 2 columns of the table as follows. C2 rating, you can see this data. I will put this complete data in these 2 columns. C2 rating 8796 8796 9 10 7 8 9 10 7 8. This data is given in the description and question. You can put this data in C2 rating columns. Now I am going to putting my data approximate visitor year column. Okay, 250 300 250 300. Okay, the next is that 524 300 524 300. Simply copy and paste this data here. The next is that 2000700 2000700. Okay, so the next is that 34,900 34,900 is next. Okay, so the next is that 190,000 1,90,000. Okay. So the next is 3,500. The next is 3,500. Okay. So the next is 145. 1,45,000. 1,45,000. Okay. The last one is that 3,48,000. 3,48,000. Okay, simply copy and paste here. This question is done now. So we will move on. The next question of this assignment is question number 6. I have done 5 questions so far. Question number 6 is that select the first table. Select a border style of double solid line 1 over 2 point and 3 row 3 column 4. Apply the selection to outside border auto fit contents of the table. Okay, select the first table. Simply we will select the first table. Okay, so select a border style of double solid line 1 over 2 point and 3. We will go to the table design tab. In the borders group, click on border style 1 over 2 point 1 over 2 point and 3. Okay, double solid line 1 over 2 and 3. We will go to the borders button and we will apply this 1 over 2 auto fit content. Go to the table layout tab. In the cell size group, click on auto fit button, click on auto fit content. So this is done now. Okay, I have done this question. Now I'm going to do question number 7. Select the first row of the first table and merge cell. Center text in the first row. Apply shading of light gray background to darker 50%. Change font color of text in the first row to white background 1. Bold text in the selected row and change the font size to 14. Okay, the first point of this question is that select the first row of the first table and merge cells. We will go to the first table. We will select first row of the first table. Go to the table layout tab. In the merge group, click on merge cell button. Okay, cells will be merged in the first row. So center text in the first row. Okay, so we will apply center text in the first row. Go to the home tab. In the paragraph group, click on center the alignment. The next point is that apply shading of light gray background to darker 50%. Okay, apply shading. Go to the table design tab. In the borders table style group, click on border shading button. Light gray background to darker 50%. We will apply this shading. So the next is that change the font color of the text in the first row to white background 1. So we will select this first row and then we will go to the home tab. In the font colors, we will apply background white background 1 font color in the first row font color. So bold text in the selected row and change the font size to 14. Okay, we will select first row, go to the home tab. In the font group, apply bold on the first row. So font size is 14. Apply font size to 14. Okay, you can see I have done 7 question in my video. Total question of this assignment is 18. I have done 60 to 65% of assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for complete course, and if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. I can do all online courses: MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can easily click on my WhatsApp link or directly come on my WhatsApp chat. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.